Hey guys, and welcome back to PlumbingPartsPro.com. Today we're going to talk about an American Standard toilet that takes this very special tank to bowl kit to be able to repair this. So check out this video coming up next. So some of you may have realized or run into this situation that back in the mid-90s, American Standard came out with a toilet that was a very common toilet. It was a Cadet model, had a 2-inch flush valve, 1.6 gallon flush. But American Standard decided to change the size of the bolts and the bolt holes that hold the tank and the bowl together. Now, for many, many years, decades, they've used a traditional brass 5/16 bolt. This one's brass here. They do make them in stainless steel. This one has the nuts and washers already on it. But American Standard came out with something a little different right here. This is the 47158-0070A. I'm going to put a link in the description below where you can purchase this if you need it. Pull this out here. Now at first glance it really looks like a basic toilet, and it really is. It's just this is the only thing different about it. Now if you compare the bolts, you can see it's a little bit shorter and it's a considerable amount thinner. The kit comes with 2 bolts, 2 rubber washers, 2 flat washers, and 2 brass nuts. It also comes with the tank to bowl gasket, and that's your typical gasket to fit most of your American Standards from the early 80s to the late 90s. And it does come with a ball cock nut here. Most people don't use this, they use a flexible supply. I'm going to get the calipers out, just kind of compare. Kind of give you an idea of the difference in thickness. Turn this on. Now the diameter of the 5/16 bolt is 7.24 millimeters. The smaller bolt is 5.4 millimeters. There's a considerable difference. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see this and be able to zoom in on this. But you can see the difference in the bolt. I've had people try to take a standard bolt that they'll find at a hardware store and try to put this into that American Standard tank, and it won't fit. And they try to force it and it actually cracks the tank and you have to replace the entire toilet. So just kind of wanted to give you guys a view of this, that these are out there. They're a little hard to find at your typical stores, your local box stores and hardware stores. I do stock these. I stock a lot of these. So if you guys need any, I'll put them on the website and you guys can check them out. Thanks a lot guys for watching. Make sure you give me a thumbs up and a subscribe to see the new videos coming. I've also got a video for a Delta IQ voice activated faucet that I'm doing a review for soon, and I'm going to give that faucet away, so make sure you subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. Thanks a lot.